Good morning. Uh, the payment of electricity charges, metro charges, property tax, this all maybe uh, give you several cause of action because after purchasing the property, it is a caveat emptor. Those who are purchasing the property should be very vigilant. Caveat vendi means those who are selling the property should also be very vigilant. So, from the date of purchase of the property, you may claim that I am only due after that. But since you are purchasing the property, the arrears also yours to pay. Otherwise, the consequences will follow. Therefore, kindly at the time of execution of sale deed, drafting, you should be very careful to either clarify that the taxes were properly paid, or you should get declaration from the parties that they have paid the entire taxes and government dues. So we're very careful about that. Then that resulted so many cases up to Supreme Court. From time to time, they are giving different verdicts. See, in the given case also, I leave it to you to decide about that, but I am much interested to bring this judgment only because the procedures are properly stated in the judgment as to how the properties are sold, taxes are being levied, interest are being levied. The case of 2020 AR Supreme Court 2676, Telangana State Southern Power Distribution Company versus Srigda Beverages. Electricity Act Section 56 was discussed. Sanjay Kishan Kaul and K.M. Joseph has delivered the judgment. The respondent unit is a mineral water bottling plant. Since they have, after obtaining the loan not paid, the Syndicate Bank brought the property to action for e-action sale. The respondent was the successful action purchaser. Therefore, after purchasing the property, the dues of electricity was served on him for 50,47,720 as on 26/10/2017. So they approached the Honorable High Court. The High Court has held that from the date of purchase only he is entitled to pay the electricity charges. And if he is applying for press connection, you have to give press connections. But Supreme Court has not accepted the verdict of for the following other reasons. See, the statement of e-notices says total amount due, encumbrances, then outstanding local government property tax, water, electricity, etc. 83 lakhs, so and so. Reserve price property. So they have the content 28 number of machines, items, reserve. All these things. They say the property sold in as is, where is, what is there is, and without any recourse basis. This was they say. Then they say by reading all the classes, it says that including electricity dues beyond the sale consideration was paid. So then they said they are discussing about the rules, general terms and condition of supply. Says dismantlement of service line of termination of agreement, transfer of service connections were discussed. Then they have discussed about Isha Marbles, Isha Marble case, AR 1995 to SCC 648. wherein the Supreme Court has held that demand is illegal from after the sale. But this judgment distinguished that they say the sale was in pursuance of Section 29(1) of the State Financial Corporation Act. So, the Section 25 electricity emphasized that under Section 2C electricity, consumer means any person who supplied with the energy, and since liability to pay electricity is passionate only on the consumer at the relevant time, purchase not the consumer. That was the verdict in this Marbles case. It's a Usha Marbles case. But they have also discussed about Hyderabad Vanaspati Limited as AP State Electricity Board case, Dakshin Haryana Biji Vitram Nigam versus Paramount Polymers case. These are all Supreme Court case. Then they also Panchimanchal Vidyut Vitram Nigam Limited versus DVC Street, where all these cases were discussed. But here they says that electricity dues where they are statutory in character under Electricity Act as per terms and conditions of supply cannot be waived in view of provisions of the Act itself, more specifically Section 56 of the Electricity Act. Therefore, they are bound to pay the electricity. They set aside the order and issue notice to claim their arrears. So somewhat slightly the Supreme Court are varied and the ratio was, but practically speaking, when Tamil Nadu views to the electricity board, government was there, the Supreme Court views were different. When in turn it comes to some private parties, corporations, where it indirectly affects the private interest also, because when some corporations are floated, bonds were purchased, shares were purchased by the public. Therefore, if this large, huge sum of electricity not paid, then there will be a diminishing value of the bond and the shares. So that resulted the high pressure to get a favorable order from the Supreme Court. That but it is Supreme Court would have measured even case justice, concentrating on other areas without discussing it. If they would have discussed it, that may be termed as ipsi dixit. Even if the Supreme Court gives some opinion on doctrine of ipsi dixit, nobody is going to challenge it. You have to wait for 10 or 15 years more. This is what happened. That's why when Justice Dinagaran J. N. Dinagaran running a division bench proceedings, judge has commented on me stating that your case is weak, Krishnamurthy, because there is a Supreme Court judgment against you. I said, your Lordship may kindly admit it, and probably it may be listed after a decade. And I hope the Supreme Court may reverse their own judgment, and the possibility of judgment in my favor. I hope the best. Then it was admitted. This is what happening. Time and again, due to circumstances, change of major policy, government major policy, privatization, globalization. If it is globalized issues, then again lot of things may occur. This is what happening. I therefore request you to go through the judgment and kindly concentrate that this is a big judgment, therefore it may not. No, you even for ordinary matters, you may come across to work out your remedy by filing writ petition if the dues are claimed a period to date of purchase. So you try to prefer that other cases which is in favor. So download those cases also, and if you are for the government, keep this judgment on your file and record. I hope this may help you in equipping one more ammunition to defend. Ammunitions are being defended. arms are being used for offending opposite side. Best wishes.